Hey, what is going on, you guys? Welcome back to another brand new video on my YouTube channel. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. I know I am, and that's why I'm making this video for you guys. I know I made 3 videos last week, and I was promising to do it this week as well, but I had a robotics competition yesterday, and Friday I was practicing, and things just got in the way. But anyways, I decided to make a video for you guys today, and in fact, the Galaxy S9 got released. And in Barcelona, the event is going on right now. I was actually watching it right now before I pulled out the camera, and the phone is just amazing. The Galaxy S9, even Marquez did like a hands-on video with the S9, and the camera is amazing. It shoots at like 940 FPS or something, slow-mo, so 0.2 seconds to 6 seconds, and the quality might not be the best, but the amount of frame rates, that's just crazy. And also the aperture goes from like 2.4 to 1.8, but the first time ever we've seen variable apertures on a smartphone. So the camera aspect of the S9 is amazing, but the real question is, no matter how good the camera is it worth upgrading to? So most of you guys right now might even have the S8, and you're like, hey, I upgraded to the S8 a couple months ago or something, and you're wondering if you should get the S9. And in my opinion, I would say don't. Well, here's why. Well, if you go to Samsung's history, and if you take the Galaxy S6 and if you take the Galaxy S7, you know that the design change is very limited. Like, you barely see a difference in the design. However, internally, there is a big difference from the S6 to the S7. Alright? Now, the same thing happened when the S8 came. So the S8 came, awesome display, awesome design, like it was a good phone, right? I would still use the S8 to this day. But the S9 came today, and there you go. That's how the S9 looks. You see, there's no real design change. However, like the S6 and the S7, there was a huge internal change in the S8 to the S9, because the camera basically is hardware, and hardware changed a lot from the S8 to S9. And once again, hardware, the fingerprint scanner changed from the side to the bottom. A lot of hardware changes happen with Samsung for every 2 variants that they release in their S series, but design changes happen after 2 variants. So S6 to S7, similar design, they're done with that design. And then the new design is the S8, and S8 to S9, similar design, but a lot of hardware changes. And then next time, so next year, we're gonna get the S10, right? The S10, which we're going to get a big design change, but maybe limited hardware change. But I don't know about the hardware changes, whether there's gonna be a good hardware change or a little bit of a less hardware change. I'm gonna be happy to see a design change, because to me, I love to see innovative designs. Alright, and we already know that this company called Vivo, I believe, was able to put an on-screen fingerprint scanner on the display, and that was amazing. And however, we know the top dogs like Samsung, LG, whatever, Apple, they didn't do it because they're still testing it out, and they're trying to get the best version of that as they can. And I believe, I can almost guarantee to you guys that the S10 will have that on-screen fingerprint scanner. However, they played it safe with the S9, and S10 will be almost 100% screen to body ratio, because once again, Samsung has this pattern of keeping the same design for 2 years and then changing it on the 3rd year. So according to patterns that we've seen before, the S10 should have a huge design change. And to me personally, let's say I see 2 people, one with an S8, one with the S9. Now, unless I really see where the fingerprint placement is, if I see from the front, it's really going to be hard to tell what they have. And a lot of the time, a regular average consumer likes to show off their new phone that they got. And a lot of the reason why Apple fans are kind of disappointed, because the iPhone 6 to 7 can't see a difference, 7 to 8 can't see a difference, but 8 to X you can really see that difference. And as a regular human being, you kind of feel like the upgrade was worth it, rather than you contemplating and kind of regretting your upgrade decision with the phone. So I personally, if you have like a capable device that can hold you off for 1 year, let's say like a S7, S8, that kind of device is still capable for at least another year. And if I were you, I would still hold on to it until the Galaxy S10, and I would just buy the S10 right away, because the S10 would give you that feel that you made a good decision, and the design change is just gonna feel really good. The innovation in the new design and all that stuff and the new features, it's just gonna feel better than getting a device that's just slightly improved from the S8. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I just wanted to make this quick video about what I think and my impressions on the Galaxy S9, and for all those people who are looking at buying it. And yeah, that is it for today's video. Hope you guys can subscribe and turn on post notifications. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video, and yeah, I'm gonna try to upload 3 videos next week. So yeah, see you guys in the next one. Peace.